I don't know why, but I like small things. Hello everyone and welcome to Newston Mini. Yep, I'm your host Harris and today we got some juicy news. Let's get started. Yes, Elon Musk just sold almost $4 billion worth of Tesla shares. Mad lad. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has just sold over $4 billion worth of shares. That's about 4.4 million shares in said company, just days after he agreed to buy Twitter. The sale has led to speculation that it will help to finance his $44 billion buyout of Twitter, since the board did agree to accept his big takeover bid. Sadly, the shares in Tesla did sharply fall earlier this week because of said offer, but he did tweet that he has no more plans to sell any more of his shares to fund that deal, so that's kinda good. Not like Tesla's shares are that stable anyway, since it has dropped at least 20% ever since Elon planned to buy Twitter earlier this month. I guess this is just what rich people do. Gotta use that money somehow, right? Not speed, it's bonus news! And here's something for the rich. Huawei Mate X S2 just got announced with Snapdragon 888 4G, kinda weird, but stylus support is here. Huawei still believes that there's a market for this type of foldables, and the Mate X S2 is the latest successor to the old one. Starting with the screen, the OLED panel unfolds to a big 7.8-inch high-resolution display with 120Hz refresh rate, and when it's folded, it's a 6.5-inch with almost 1080p resolution. Not only that, there's a 10-megapixel selfie on the top right corner, and surprisingly, it's now a lot lighter at around 255 grams despite its big form factor. And yeah, it also brings a refined double rotor hinge mechanism, which should improve its long-term durability and also leave no visible crease. And thanks to its improved polymer cover display, the Mate X S2 now supports Huawei's M Pen 2S stylus. For the inside, it is powered by the Snapdragon 888 4G with 8 to 12 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigs of storage. Not only that, it also has a big 4880 mAh battery with 66 watt fast charging, and Huawei's Harmony OS 2. For the cameras, Huawei went with a triple camera array with a 50 megapixel main, 13 megapixel ultrawide, and 8 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical and 30x digital with OIS. Lastly, the price. For the base model, it will start at $1,500, while the top is a hefty $2,000. But hey, Elon Musk can afford it. He can even choose 3 colors: white, black, or purple. Yeah, I'm sorry for all the minis, but I don't feel well. So you gotta come back on Monday for more juicy tech news like this one and subscribe so you won't miss it. Alright, peace out.